Hi, you're making your headway with our machine learning tool if you watch this video. Today I'll answer the most frequently asked questions about model monitoring. Now let's get this started. What is model monitoring? It's the tracking of a model effectiveness and performance over time. Why is it necessary to track your model performance over time? It's for keeping track of changes caused by old historical data usage or affection by external factors. Here are a few examples: a crisis, a pandemic, changing a core credit product, adding new credit products from other domains, starting to work with a new region or customer segment that is new to you, and so on. What does our monitoring track? The percentage of rejected applications is plotted on a graph, where changes in dynamics can be observed. This allows for the assessment of the model stability, taking into account its edits and updates, as well as the current economic situation. What are the benefits of monitoring your GiniMachine models? The first one, ensuring precision. Keeping a close eye on our predictive models regularly guarantees they stay precise and dependable. Early identification and resolution of data drift or concept drift stops our model predictions from becoming obsolete or incorrect, thereby safeguarding the efficacy of our decision-making process. The second one is adjusting to shifting circumstances. The business landscape is always changing, and elements that influence predictions can vary over time. Actively monitoring our models lets us adjust to these shifts by updating and retraining our models to pick up on new trends or relationships. This way we can make decisions grounded in the latest insights. The third one is reducing risks and expenses. Outdated or incorrect predictive models can result in expensive errors or overlooked opportunities. Through consistent and predictive model monitoring, we can lower the risks tied to using outdated predictions, dodge unnecessary expenses, and keep our competitive edge in the industry. When should the model be rebuilt? A predictive model can be rebuilt at any given moment. However, the more relevant question is, when would reconstructing or refreshing a model make a significant impact on your business? For instance, let's say a startup company built their first model a year ago. Over that year, the company has expanded their lending business, approving thousands of new applications. Incorporating these new historical records into the model boosts its ability to make more accurate predictions in the future. The more unique approval scenarios encountered, the greater the predictive capabilities of the model. Here is another example. Consider an outgoing lending business operating during a crisis or pandemic. These challenging economic conditions can influence borrower behavior, affecting their credit and payment worthiness. It might be a good idea to reassess your evaluation criteria in these instances. Incorporate new factors for a more thorough scoring analysis and pattern identification. Rebuild your model, assess its performance, and then go live. Could it be time for a model makeover? Reach out to us for a consultation. We are here to guide you.